If your site crashed in the middle of the night, how long would it take you to notice? After this video, that'll be 5 minutes. I'll show you a tool how to do that for free. The tool to check this is called Uptime Robot. Today, I'll walk you through how to create an account and set it up so you'll never have to worry if your site's down again. Let's dive in. The first step is go to uptimerobot.com, click Start Monitoring in 30 seconds, enter your username, email, and your password. Then click I am not a robot, wait a second, and then press Register Now. You'll need to confirm your email, and then you'll be able to create monitors for free. Okay, let's create our first monitor. Click Add New Monitor. This is Keyword Monitor. Choose your friendly name. We're going to pick Berta Gear Chair. And here's our URL. Once again, this isn't a site that I own. This is just a blog I found that is really good as an example. So what I do is I go to the top and look for a word that only appears once in the text body. I don't want to choose like VetaLab or Game Chair or something that's everywhere. I want to check for something in the body. So let's see the word spoiler is in body only. And when we search, there is one copy. This is exactly the type of word I would want to do. So let's go back here. So let's go back to Uptime Robot. Our keyword is spoiler. It is case insensitive. And alert me if this ever doesn't exist. Since this isn't my site, I may do once a day. If this were my site, I would probably do once an hour. Although for some people, if you have heavy traffic, you could do it once every 5 minutes. Click where you would like the email sent and create monitor. That's all there is to it. You've just gotten your first monitor. If this page ever loses the word spoiler, goes down for any reason, gets hacked, and the content changes, you'll get an email immediately. Let's look at one I set up a few days ago. We can see that the website has been up every time I checked. You can check, you automatically get to see the server response time when it's there. I've had this running since yesterday for about 40 hours, and it's been up the entire time. If the website's down, you'll know when it goes down and when it comes back up, and all this is available to you. You don't have to check any day. You just log in and you'll immediately know. If you make a mistake and need to edit a monitor, click here, Edit. Come here. You can change the frequency, the duration, anything like that. Press Save. And close. And if you decided to monitor you no longer want, you simply come here and delete. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.